Hello, my loves. Welcome to my world, where every day starts with a little bit of color, creativity, and self-love. I'm so glad you're here to join me for a moment that always brightens my day. Today, I want to share my everyday makeup routine with you, a ritual that's become my personal pick-me-up, no matter what the day ahead looks like. For me, makeup isn't about hiding or changing who you are. It's about having fun, celebrating yourself, and feeling good in your own skin. It's a way to express my mood, boost my confidence, and start the day with a smile. It's my little moment of magic every morning, like an art project where your face is the canvas and the possibilities are endless. Each brushstroke is a chance to play, experiment, and create something uniquely you. This ritual is my daily dose of happy, a creative escape before the day begins. It's a few minutes just for me, where I can let my imagination run wild and set a positive tone for everything that follows. Each step is like adding a new detail to a character. Think of it as a claymation journey. I love watching my look come together layer by layer, as if I'm sculpting a little piece of happiness onto my face. We start with a clean base, add color, sparkle, and definition. It's a process that's both soothing and energizing, like a gentle wake-up call for my creativity. You don't need to be a pro, just a bit of curiosity and the desire to play. Makeup is for everyone, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. Sometimes I try something new just for the fun of it. Makeup is about expressing yourself and feeling amazing in your own skin. Whether you go for a natural look or something bold, it's all about what makes you feel your best. There are no rules. If you love glitter, wear glitter. If you want to try a new color, go for it. Your makeup routine should be as unique as you are. If you want a bold red lip on a Tuesday, go for it. Makeup is a celebration, not a chore, and every day is a good day to feel fabulous. My routine is just a guide. Pick what you like and make it your own. Mix and match, experiment, and discover what feels right for you. The goal is to find what makes you feel powerful and brings joy to your day. When you look in the mirror and see a reflection that makes you smile, that's the real magic. It's your face, your rules, your masterpiece. Every day is a new opportunity to create, to play, and to celebrate yourself. So let's begin this fun journey together. Whether you're a makeup lover or just starting out, I'm here to cheer you on and share what I've learned along the way. I'll show you my simple steps for a fresh, glowing look and share my favorite products and tricks. We'll talk about what works for me, but remember, the best routine is the one that makes you feel happy and confident. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun with it. Don't be afraid to laugh at your mistakes or try something totally new. Sometimes the best looks come from happy accidents. Are you ready to create some magic? Let's get started and make today a little brighter, one brush stroke at a time. Before makeup, we prep the canvas, our skin. Just like an artist wouldn't paint on a rough, unprepared surface, we want our skin to be clean, hydrated, and smooth before we even think about foundation or concealer. Good makeup starts with good skin, so I always wash my face with a gentle cleanser. This step removes any dirt, oil, or leftover makeup from the day before, making sure my skin is fresh and ready for the next steps. Next, I use a hydrating toner to refresh and balance my skin. Toner helps to restore the skin's natural pH and preps it to absorb the rest of my skincare products more effectively. Then comes serum with hyaluronic acid. It pulls in moisture and makes skin look plump. Hyaluronic acid is like a big drink of water for your face, helping to keep it bouncy and youthful. I gently pat the serum in and let it sink for a minute. This little pause lets the product really do its magic, so my skin feels extra hydrated and ready for the next layer. After serum, moisturizer is a must. It locks in hydration and creates a smooth base. Even if you have oily skin, don't skip this step. Just choose a formula that works for your skin type. I use a lightweight moisturizer so my skin feels soft, not greasy. The right moisturizer helps makeup blend seamlessly and keeps your skin comfortable all day. This helps foundation glide on and prevents it from clinging to dry patches. When your skin is well prepped, you'll notice your makeup looks more natural and lasts longer. My secret weapon? Primer. It fills in lines and pores, creating an ultra-smooth surface. Primer also helps control shine and keeps your makeup in place, even on long days. I love a blurring primer for that real-life filter effect. It gives my skin a soft, focused finish, making everything that goes on top look even better. Let your primer sit for a minute before foundation. This helps makeup last all day. Giving each product a moment to settle ensures your base won't pill or slide around. These simple steps make a huge difference in how your makeup looks and wears. Skipping skincare can lead to patchy, uneven makeup, But a little prep goes a long way. Think of it as prepping your clay before sculpting. Hydrated, smooth skin is the best base. Just like a sculptor needs soft, pliable clay, we need our skin to be at its best before we start creating. Skincare is the foundation of every great makeup look. It's the step that makes everything else easier and more beautiful. Take a moment to enjoy this self-care step. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Now, let's move on to building our base. With our skin prepped and glowing, we're ready for the fun part, makeup application. With our skin prepped, it's time to even out our complexion. I use a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer for a natural skin-like finish. Warm a small amount on your hand, then blend with a damp beauty sponge for an airbrushed look. Dot foundation on cheeks, forehead, chin, and nose, then bounce the sponge to blend. Blend down your neck for a seamless match. No harsh lines. Next, concealer brightens and covers dark circles or blemishes. I use a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter under my eyes for a lifting effect. Apply in a triangle shape, then let it sit for a minute before blending for more coverage. Blend with your sponge or finger for a flawless finish. This trick gives you maximum coverage without looking cakey. Use concealer sparingly, just where you need it. The goal is fresh, bright skin that still looks like you. A little goes a long way for a flawless, everyday base. Now let's add some color and dimension. Time to bring life and dimension back to the face. Adding color can transform your look from flat to fabulous in just a few steps. Bronzer adds warmth. Think of drawing a 3 along your hairline, cheekbones, and jawline. This technique mimics the natural shadows of your face, giving you a sun-kissed glow. Use a fluffy brush and tap off excess for a soft, sun-kissed glow. The key is to build up the color gradually to avoid harsh lines. Bronzer isn't for contouring, just for a healthy, natural warmth. Next, blush. Blush adds a pop of color that makes your complexion look lively and fresh. A peachy pink cream blush melts into the skin for a fresh, youthful look. Cream blushes are great for a dewy finish, while powder blushes offer a matte look. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks. Tap blush on, and blend upwards for a lifted effect. This technique gives your face a natural, healthy flush. If you apply too much, use your foundation sponge to tone it down and blend. This helps to soften the color and make it look more natural. This trick softens the blush and makes it look seamless. Blending is key to achieving a natural look. Blush instantly makes you look awake and happy. It's like a little pick-me-up for your face. Both bronzer and blush are about enhancing your natural features. They work together to give your face dimension and color. Don't be afraid to experiment with placement and color. Different looks can be achieved by varying the intensity and location of your blush and bronzer. These steps sculpt your face and add a healthy glow. Remember, makeup is an art and your face is the canvas. Keep it light and buildable for the most natural effect. Layering allows you to control the intensity and achieve a flawless finish. Now, let's frame those eyes with perfect brows. Well-groomed brows can make a huge difference in your overall look. Ready for the next step? Let's continue to enhance your beauty. Eyebrows frame your face and can transform your look. I keep mine natural and feathery, just enhancing my shape, not creating a new one. Brush brow hairs up with a spoolie to see the shape and spot sparse areas. Use a fine-tipped pencil in hair-like strokes, focusing on the arch and tail. Go light. Build color slowly for the most natural effect. Finish with a tinted or clear brow gel to set and add texture. This keeps brows lifted and in place all day. Brows done, let's make those eyes sparkle. For everyday eyes, I keep it simple and neutral. Start with a matte beige shade all over the lid to even out the skin. Blend a matte brown into the crease for soft definition. Add a shimmery champagne shade to the center of the lid with your finger for a pop. This brightens and opens up the eyes. For liner, use a dark eyeshadow and an angled brush to press color into the upper lash line, tight lining for subtle definition. This makes lashes look fuller without harsh lines. The look is soft, polished, and perfect for any occasion. Quick, easy, and flattering for everyone. Now let's finish the eyes with mascara. Mascara is the magic wand that transforms your eyes. Always curl your lashes first. It opens up your eyes instantly. Use an eyelash curler at the base, middle, and tips for a natural curve. Apply mascara with a wiggling motion from root to tip for volume and length. 2 coats on top lashes, a light touch on the bottom. This technique prevents clumps and builds drama. If your mascara gets clumpy, revive it by placing the tube in hot water or adding a drop of saline. Mascara lifts, defines, and completes your look in seconds. Even on busy days, it makes you look awake and put together. Don't skip this step. It's a game changer. Eyes done, let's move to lips. Ready for the perfect pout. Lips are the final touch. Just a bit of color can brighten your whole face. I love tinted balms, creamy lipsticks, or glosses for comfort and hydration. Start by exfoliating if needed, then apply a hydrating balm. Choose a My Lips But Better shade. Dusty rose or warm nude is perfect. Apply lipstick to the center, then blend out with your finger for a soft, natural look. For longer wear, place a tissue over your lips and dust translucent powder on top. This sets the color and keeps it from transferring. The result, a pretty, effortless pout that lasts. Lip color ties the whole look together. Simple, quick, and beautiful. Now let's wrap up our routine. And there you have it. Our everyday makeup magic is complete. From fresh skin to sparkling eyes and a perfect pout, each step is a creative act. This routine isn't about changing you. It's about celebrating you. Makeup is self-expression. Follow these steps or make your own rules. Some days go natural, some days go bold. Do what makes you happy. Your face is your story, and makeup is just one way to tell it. True beauty comes from confidence and shines from within. When you feel good outside, you feel powerful inside. Look in the mirror and smile. You are your own kind of beautiful. Your confidence is your best makeup. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you learned something new and feel inspired to play. Experiment, have fun, and find what makes you feel your best. Whether you wear a lot or a little, always love yourself. Go out and shine. You are a work of art, today and every day.